I've been seeing one
No,
of those
statues here.
like
Guys, statues here. Guys, statues here.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, where'd it go?
Alright, Top Hat's coming up. He sucks, so.
Oh my Where does Daisy go?
Oh,
Daisy's gone?
Davey09 go? No,
Yeah,
this
where
is
did
not
he go?
Jesus, I keep
No,
this
no,
all
I go
real.
the only one. This is... No, this is fake. I think this is the fake Davey09. It's Daisy09. It's Daisy09.
That was a joke, bro. You do not suck.
It's Daisy09. I think that's a fake it's the real Daisy.
You do not suck, bro.
It's the real Daisy. No, then where did he go?
Yo, my controller keeps on vibrating. It is so confusing.
Daisy09? You're talking about Daisy09, not Daisy.
Bro, what the flip?
Bro, this brown's behind.
Bro, I got stuck in the slave farm.
Oh, you suck.
Alright, where's the other kid? Let me go.
This is not for real.
Alex,
We just heard Daisy09 song.
Oh, hello.
My unicorn brother.
Nobody can hear me.
Oh, stop it! My game keeps glitching. That's it, I'm done. That's stupid. Ooh!
Bro, I did not tag you. We both have unicorn, bro. Leave me alone, please.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
People always
Bro,
get
You did tag me.
Thank you.
That's crazy. People always get tagged. That's crazy.
Somebody
people
tagged
always
me,
get
and you were
tagged,
closest
bro.
to me.
Watch out. Watch out, Blue.
Yo, bro.
Watch out, Blue.
Excuse me!
So you serious. Hello? I have a feeling you're gonna tag me. Oh my. Yeah. GG, bro. Bro, ever tag me GG, bro? Okay, I'm up to you.
Where are we going?
Let me just climb up this
Leave.
wall.
I don't like this. Why
My
have we
pony
got...
pee hurts.
Wait, let me just climb up this wall.
My pony pee hurts. Come here.
Whoa! Okay.
Were you looking at me like I'm a lava monkey?
Yeah, where do we go?
I accidentally. It was on accident. Hey, bro! Oh, hi, Red. You're the one that tagged me. Come over here. Red, I'm
Over
only
there?
tagging you.
What?
Oh, no. Bro, it's so good. I love people who are good.
Oh.
Other way.
Oh.
Oh, my.
Why are all the monkeys attacking me?
Bro, what the... I hit my bunk bed. Bro, actually have long arms.
This is horrible.
Hello, Red. Bro, I'm tagging Red. I'm gonna tag Red. I'm the one who's gonna tag Red.
I don't know.
No, I'm...
Who's
I was
number
gonna
one
be the
fan of
one.
lemon?
Tag. Yeah, okay. Do I have one on? Do I have one on?
Yo.
I have one on. I made it tight. One on. Stop. He's right there.
I'm getting closer now. Who are the monkeys? Joe, stop that, please. Wow.
Hello, I'm not gonna tag you. I'm a friendly love monkey.
What are you supposed to
Oh,
do
wait,
in the
did I
game,
go up,
Joe?
Brown? I'm not
Why
gonna
are
tag
you all
Brown.
attacking me?
I'm a friendly love monkey, Brown.
Oh,
What's the
shoot
code
some.
for Daisy09 that I can see?
Ah!
Got it. Hold on. Getting.
They're all black and orange. Shaking my hand. Joe.
Hello. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Hello. Are you okay, mister?
Oh, that was...
Okay, he's dead. Oh, hi. Guess what?
Oh.
I
actually left.
I'm just trying to get up and leave. Why can't I just
Bro,
do
leave.
that?
You can't. Bruh, come on. You watching the TV. Dave, watch out! Somebody watch out! Look at these! Dave. Somebody has admins. Somebody has admins here. Okay. Somebody has admins here. Hi. Please be a friendly wild monkey. No, that's not a friendly wild monkey. Oh. I hate unfriendly wild monkeys. You. Wait. I'm bad on ground. I need to camp somewhere.